Immaculate home located in the estates at Greystone. Better than new, this Clark and Thomas built ranch home has custom features throughout. With over 4,000 square feet, this open floor plan has a formal dining area, living room with gas fireplace and gourmet kitchen that make this layout perfect for entertaining. The kitchen has custom cabinets, gas cooktop, walk-in pantry, stainless appliances and granite countertops. A wall of windows make up the back of the house and look out on just over an acre of beautiful landscaped yard. The large master suite leads into the bath where you will find a double sink with custom cabinets and onyx countertops, whirlpool tub and large walk-in shower. Also on the main floor are a second bedroom and full bath. The lower level is ready for friends and family with 2 large bedrooms, 2 full baths and an amazing wet bar. The basement walks out to an amazing, private bath.